So this is a piece of square tubing, 1 inch by 1 inch by 1/8 inch thick wall. And sometimes, in order to make really strong angle brackets, we'll take and we'll slice this diagonally. So I'll show you how to do that, how to make a part in SolidWorks that looks like that. First thing is, this is a library part, so we don't want to modify this directly, otherwise we'd lose our 1x1 square tube. So first thing is File, New, Part. And then, because we don't want to have to remodel this, go Insert, Part, and we can put that tube, it's the only open document, into this new part. So we'll transfer solid bodies and part material at least. Now that we've got the geometry of this, we'll need to slice off what we don't want. So that'll be a cut extrude. We'll extrude in the long direction, and we'll start with our cut on this face. So you see it made a sketch there. You can see the origin in the middle. Let's look at this face. And I think I'm going to accomplish this with a 3-point center rectangle in order to give us this diagonal. So I'll start at the center here. I'll come out. I'll make some width. This width is going to represent the length of our, or the thickness of our bandsaw blade, rather. 0.08 should do it. And then select midpoint on there. Control click to select this corner. We'll make that coincident. Okay, so that gives us our basic piece. And then we also need to cut off this body over here. So even though we're cutting diagonally, we're not going to turn this into two parts. We're just going to turn it into one half of it. So I'll make this for construction so that that line won't be part of our perimeter. And I'll just draw in the rest of our perimeter here. And because I projected those lines, horizontal and vertical, this sketch is already fully defined. So what you'll see is there are these extra construction lines. These don't have a bearing on our sort of closed profile. What SolidWorks is looking for is a shape that is closed, that does not have any openings in it, in order to make our cut extrude. So after that, I'll hit Exit Sketch. Hopefully this works. Yep. So you see SolidWorks is saying, okay, I'm going to cut everything that's in this shape, and I'm going to cut it in the direction perpendicular to the sketch plane. That's this arrow here. And we can just go through all. That'll go all the way to the end of the part. And there we go. There's our angle. So last step is to go ahead and save this. This is actually a new library part, but it's a bison part. So I'll say 1x1 by 0.125, no decimal point, angle with hole pattern. And there we go.